வாய்ஸ் வீடியோஸை லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள் அண்ட் மறந்துடாமல் பெல் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள்.
Okay, today we are going to make chicken tandoori grill, and I've got 12 pieces of chicken necks, and I'm going to cut them and marinate them, and I'm going to marinate them for nearly an hour before I can put that into the grill. So I need to cut the chicken like this. Alright, first 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and then 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and then chili powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and then 2 tablespoons of tandoori powder, and then 1 tablespoon of paprika powder. Then mix it with curd. Little bit of turmeric powder and salt, needed salt, and a pinch of pepper. There you go, the masala is ready. So now we are ready to put the chicken and mix the chicken. Yeah. So you really need to know when to stop.
I still haven't bought the barbecue.
Yeah.
Shoot, what is that?
Foil.
Wow. The best thing ever. I'm gonna start eating chicken.
Right.
It's gonna be all smoke, man. What's your take on
chicken
it?
as well? So, yeah, I'm happy with it. Stay healthy.
Yeah. I eat everything.
Anything that moves. We used to
Same
go
goes for
hunting.
me.
We used to go hunting in
But,
Africa,
yeah.
and we had deer milk. Deer milk and crocodile milk. Best thing
Milk?
ever. Milk. No milk.
Meat. Okay, yeah, okay.
They are so sweet. So, okay, how do you do it? It's like, we don't have it like you in the first one. So we just do it.
Yeah.
As long as we make the money, we don't care.
No, they're mine.
Yeah, go on. Just do the normal thing.
Mine.
Yeah, well. We gotta heat up a little bit.
Yeah.
Then we'll put this thing.
Hey, what's melting? The water's melting. Emma!
Let me heat up.
Yep.
It'll bring to respond, right?
Mm-hmm.
And fish needs close control. Otherwise,
Yeah.
one time I cooked in, all the fish went inside. Because
Alright.
once the flame was like boom. What's that? Yeah, yeah. Otherwise, the meat is going to stick onto it.
Yeah. Yep. And this is truly a charcoal grill, right? And that's what, the taste was amazing. I was telling, this is different from the gas grill.
It is.
Gun. I don't have gun.
Where in the cook?
I have to grab my gun.
Prati. Angan cheeradu, okay.
I don't have gun.
Oh, you don't have a gun? Let me go get a gun for you.
No, they have multiple. Prati ullipoi chedku ganna. Gun ullipoi edku. Verde karayirada. Indallo. Avadi indallo ganna. Okay, right. I always use skin in it. You can peel away the skin when you eat
Yeah.
if you don't want it. But the skin helps to keep it juicy.
No, I removed the skin.
Yeah.
I know you told me last time.
That's okay.
Yeah,
It's not
but
like
when I
can't do
forgot.
that. I'm just saying that it's going to be more juicy. That's it.
Yeah. So what are the flavors? So,
This one is Cajun chicken, and this one some jerk and
jerk chicken. Okay.
a little bit of jerk, and there's another mixture called Chickalika Bomb Bomb.
Oh, Chickalika Bomb Bomb.
That's the name of it. Yeah.
Okay.
That's that.
And mine is tandoori. So
Tandoori, right? Yeah.
Indian style. This one jerk is Jamaican, right?
But it's not fully like. Only the paste doesn't make it jerk chicken, right? You gotta go through a lot of stuff in jerk.
Okay.
Which is what we went through last time. This
Yeah.
time I just put some paste in it
Okay.
so that the meat gets some heat.
Okay.
Because jerk is really hot stuff.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah, rest we will cook it on the next round. But
Yep. Oh, it looks juicy, man.
It's dripping. Right?
Yeah. Yeah, they're spraying.
Smoke with barbecue.
Mm-hmm.
When the meat starts to pull off from the leg, that's a good sign that it's almost getting done.
All right, good. The time to eat then.
Me.
Me, all right.
Your legs probably would be cooked. Let's see. Yeah, that's also good.
So what is the temperature on that?
71, 72. That's 180, right?
No, that's good. So what is a good temperature for chicken?
The mandated temperature for chicken legs is 170.
Okay.
That's according to the Food Administration.
Okay.
For
the lamb or
it
for
might
the
be
thighs?
160 might be a little bit too fresh for me.
Mm-hmm.
Typically it's like, so I do at least till 180, 185.
Okay.
Some of it and a little bit more.
All right.
Let's give it another 10 more minutes.
Sure. Right? And then now they are lost 2-2. 3-2 in fact, 2-3.
Yeah.
So how is it now?
It's 92, 93, 90, 94,
194?
97.
Ooh, that's good.
Barbecue thermometer.
Ooh.
I love barbecue thermometer.
200, yeah.
Ooh.
200. Wait. This is good. Should be good too. 190.
If it is ready, let's give something to the kids, man.
I think they have their food.
Oh, they did?
Yeah.
They didn't have chicken?
No, I think it's too long to wait for that. Yeah. 180, 191, 181, 182. Okay, I think.
So you're putting barbecue more?
Yeah. No, this is barbecue. I'm only applying barbecue to this one.
Okay. Ooh.